If you're feeling paralyzed by all of the software choices out there and can't figure out where to begin as a virtual assistant, by the end of this video, you'll have 4 free tools that you can use to manage your VA business. I've been using these resources for years and taught thousands of clients to do the same. Now it's your turn. Cut. Okay. Great. Hey Mama, Lauren Golden here, and if you're new to me, I'm the founder of the Free Mama Movement, a community of thousands of moms just like you. Every Tuesday, we drop a new episode of Free Mama TV showing moms how to start and run a successful freelancing business from home. Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell to be notified when I post a new video each week. So you've decided to become a virtual assistant. Now what? In order to attract clients, you're going to need to show them that you've got your stuff together. That means you need to have systems in place. Otherwise, you'll never be able to help them with theirs. In fact, today I'm going to share with you my 4 favorite free tools. Say that 10 times fast. 4 favorite free tools. 4 favorite free tools. I'm going to show you my 4 favorite free tools to manage your VA business. First step, Calendly. Calendly is a simple, easy-to-use scheduling software. It eliminates the old way of using email and phone back and forth and back and forth and back and forth and back and forth to try to find a time that works for you and the person you're trying to meet with. Calendly makes it so easy for the person who's trying to schedule an appointment with you or with your client. So whether you're using it for yourself to schedule discovery calls, or you were setting a client up with Calendly for their own clients or interviews or demos, it makes it so easy. All you have to do is send them your custom Calendly URL, and they will be able to click through and figure out the time that works for them. It will even give them a link to be able to add it directly to their calendar after the appointment is scheduled. What I love most about Calendly though is that I'm able to integrate it with my calendar. I have complete control over when people can schedule appointments in the first place. And if something gets blocked off on my end, it will go ahead and sync with Calendly to make sure that there are no double booked appointments. My second favorite free tool is Zoom. Zoom is a video conferencing software. It allows you to record videos, like this one that you're watching. It also allows you to meet with prospective clients, or even a group. You have the ability to record and save the videos or even just the audio. There's so many great features with Zoom, and it's free. The reason that Zoom calls have become so important in my business is that it allows me to meet with people from anywhere in the world at any time, right from the comfort of my own home, just using my computer and Wi-Fi. Here's an insider tip for all of my VAs out there. Be sure to link your Calendly with your Zoom so that all of those prospective clients that are booking a call with you can also automatically have the link to your Zoom discovery call without you even having to lift a finger. Now, part of the reason that I decided to become a virtual assistant was for location freedom. It's a job that I can do from anywhere. I can help clients all over the world. In fact, I've worked with people in New Zealand all the way to Israel, and I live in the United States. Location freedom was incredibly important to me as a mom with 3 little kids. I wanted to be around, I wanted to be home, and we've had to move for my husband's career. Tell me in the comments, why did you decide to become a virtual assistant? Next up, Canva. This graphic design tool easily allows you to create beautiful images and documents. Now, why would you need this as a virtual assistant? Well, you might be asked to create a postcard or a business card. You might be able to assist your client with social media management. All you have to do is pick your size or pick a template and get started. You can customize everything from fonts to colors to the images that you use in your pictures. What I love most about Canva is all of the easy to use templates. Seriously, they already have designs for everything you could possibly need, from social media cover images to postcards to professional documents and more. Don't think you can make pretty things? Don't worry. Canva makes it foolproof. I do not have a graphic design bone in my body, but by using Canva's easy to use templates and just updating it with my brand or my client's brand, I am able to create beautiful, captivating images that draw clients to me and to my business. And Canva even has a new printing feature that will allow you not just to save your digital assets, but actually be able to have them printed for yourself or your client as well. Really, the possibilities are endless. Last but not least is Trello. Trello is an online project management tool. You can use their boards, lists, and cards to organize and prioritize things you're working on, or use it to organize your clients' work. What I love most about Trello is that you can customize it to however you think about a certain thing that you're working on. It's great for goal setting, and you can also share it with team members, which means your clients can share it with you. It's great for workflow, and it's great for outlining a project together from start to completion. Now you've gotten the insider overview at the must-have free tools for any virtual assistant. If you're wondering how to make time for it all, I've created the last productivity tool you'll ever need, and it's also free. It's called the Daily 5, and it's helped thousands of mamas get more done in less time while working from home. You can watch a free tutorial and download the planner using the link below. As always, if you liked this video, please let me know. Like it, subscribe, and share it with your fellow mamas. And don't forget to comment below with #IamAFreeMama if you learned something new.